In Baikonur, the Progress ship is being tested. Preparation for the launch of ionosphere satellites and associated loads. The bright Comet Zijinshan-ATLAS. At the Baikonur Cosmodrome, tests of the Progress MS-29 transport cargo ship are being carried out. Specialists of RK Energy and Space Center South performed its pneumo vacuum tests. The launch of the Soyuz 21A carrier rocket with Progress from 29 with the Baikonur Cosmodrome is planned for November 21. The spacecraft will deliver more than 2.5 tons of cargo to the International Space Station, including equipment for scientific experiments, clothing, food, water, as well as fuel, compressed gases and equipment to maintain the station systems. In Vostochny, preparations for the launch of 2 heliogeophysical satellites and Ionosphere-M. In addition to the main payload, student and school CubeSats will be sent into space, launched as part of the scientific and educational program SPACEP. Satellites of the Roscosmos constellation will also be launched into orbit. They are equipped with equipment for receiving and transmitting signals of the automatic identification system for seagoing vessels, including those sailing along the northern sea route. The launch of the spacecraft and its associated payload is scheduled for November this year using the Soyuz 21B launch vehicle and the frigate booster. Immediately after sunset, the tail-guessed Comet C 2023 A3 Zijinshan-ATLAS is visible in the western part of the horizon. Many images come from all corners of Russia. It has become the brightest in the last 25 years. Note that the tail page will be visually visible until approximately October 20th, after which its brilliance will begin to rapidly fade. It will be possible to detect it only with the help of optical devices. We need to note the comet. C opened hyperpolitical orbit, and this is its first and last approach to the Sun. After a while, the comet will leave the solar system forever.